everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar Novle. I am owner of World Class Dental Clinic. My clinic is located in Pune on FC Road. So today I am making this video specifically for the patient who have confusion regarding scaling and curettage. So this video mostly I am focusing on scaling procedure. I'll be making part 2 which will mostly focus on curettage, and part 3 which will focus on difference between scaling and curettage. So first topic today which I am going to cover is scaling. So what is scaling? Normally whenever you visit dental clinic, and that time we ask you that you need to go for cleaning procedure of your teeth, that is known as scaling. So in scaling what we do is anesthesia is needed, and what are the indication and contraindication for scaling. So first thing, in scaling we use scaler. Okay, it is a ultrasonic scaler which creates vibration on tooth surface, which has water supply also, and with the help of those vibration it removes the plaque and tartar accumulated on tooth surface. So that is known as scaling procedure. So what are the indications for scaling? The patient who has very poor oral hygiene, where the stains are accumulated, plaque is there. Again, the plaque, once it is hardens, it get converted into tartar or calculus. When calculus is there, such type of patient we usually advise scaling. Another thing, if some patient wants to undergo like aligner procedure, then the braces procedure, prior to all those procedure we usually advise scaling treatment. Some patients they need to undergo teeth whitening procedure. In that case also we advise scaling as a precautionary procedure, so that it will enhance the results of whatever procedure we are doing. So in those cases also scaling is recommended. So these are the clear cut indication. What are the contraindications for the scaling? The patient who cannot follow instruction properly, some patient has mental disabilities, all those stuff, in such patient usually scaling is not done. Third, some patient they have history of asthma, epilepsy. In such cases also, some medical condition, we are not supposed to do scaling, or we have to do it under special guidance or with the more assistance. So there are this few contraindication for scaling. Again, some patient has actual problem related to the periodontal pockets and all those stuff. Scaling is done, but we advise to undergo for curettage or root planing. These are the few cases where usually scaling is contraindicated. So another question patient has, like for scaling, is it a painful procedure? So scaling is not a painful procedure. Second thing, most of the time they ask us whether local anesthesia is needed. Most of the cases it is not needed. Since we are not doing anything invasive, local anesthesia is not needed. So this is all about the scaling. What is scaling? What are the indications for scaling, and what are the contraindication? Whether the procedure is going to be painful? No. And how much time usually it takes? Another thing about the scaling, it depends on the stains you have. If you have more stains, then usually it takes longer than 15 minutes. Otherwise, normal scaling procedure can be done in 15 to 20 minutes. So this is the duration. Then another thing, like whether anesthesia is needed? No, most of the cases it is not needed. Hope this video must have cleared your basic doubts related to scaling. Do like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.